Hello students of Standard 9. In Geography, you are learning about the natural regions of the world. Today you are going to learn about a natural region, that is the tropical desert region. It lies between the latitudes 15 degree north to 30 degree north latitudes and 15 degree south to 30 degree south latitudes. There are many large deserts found all over the world. The largest in the northern hemisphere lies, that is Sahara Desert in Africa. It lies in the northern part of Africa, extends from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea in the east. Its length east to west is about 5,500 kilometers and north to south about 2,000 kilometers. Next is in the parts of Asia. It lies from the Red Sea to the east till the western part of India. There are many deserts found in this area. Like the large deserts are the Arabian Desert, Iran Desert, Iraq Desert, and in India and Pakistan, Thar Desert. In North America, the parts of California, Arizona, and Mexican Desert. So all these deserts lie in the northern hemisphere. In southern hemisphere, in Africa, there are two deserts, Kalahari and Namib deserts. And in South America, there is Peruvian Desert and Atacama Desert. It is located in the northern part of Chile and the coastal part of Peru. In Australia, the western part, a large western part, is a desert, and all these deserts are the driest parts of the world. If you see the temperature, these are the areas where there is highest temperature. Temperature, if we see annually, the mean temperature is about 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and sometimes it is more than 50 degrees Celsius. One place, Al Aziza, has recorded about 58 degrees Celsius temperature. In Pakistan, Jacobabad, that has also recorded about 51.7 degrees Celsius temperature. So, these hot deserts are the driest parts of the world. Annual range of temperature is very high, about 20 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. There is annual range of temperature. Summer and winter temperature varies, and there is high range of temperature. In winter there is not very low temperature, about 15 degree to 25 degrees Celsius temperature is found in this region. This is the area where some parts are full of sand. Due to the intense heat, clouds cannot be formed, and therefore there is very less rainfall. If we see this area about its rainfall, every part receives very less rainfall, less than 25 centimeter. Above all the deserts, Atacama Desert is the driest desert in the world. Sometimes there is no rainfall at all. And because this is the area which is cloudless area, because of intense heat, air cannot be saturated. There is no cloud formation, and therefore there is no rainfall. If we see the natural vegetation, that depends on the amount of rainfall. Because of very less rainfall, these areas have very less vegetation. There are small scrubs, thorny bushes, and varieties of cactus found in this region. The trees, which are the xerophytes, and these xerophytic plants adapt themselves in this driest part of the world. They have long roots to trap water from the deep interior. They have fleshy stem and that store water. Some plants have waxy coated leaves and that reduces transpiration. And they have thorns that also reduces transpiration. Like this, the plants which are the hardy plants, they can live in the very dry condition. They are found in this region. Some important trees found in this region are acacia, varieties of cactus. In the oasis, date palms are found and varieties of thorny bushes. This is the area where there is very less vegetation. A large part is covered by sand or the rocky area. If we see the human life here, the people who are living here, they are nomadic in nature. Some of the herds like camel and other small animals, domestic animals, with the herds they move from one place to other place. So these nomads cannot make their huts at any place and therefore there is no permanent dwellings. And the density of population, if we see, only one person in 100 kilometers square area. So this is very less density of population. And if we see the people which are nomadic in nature, some of the tribals are living in this region, like in Kalahari Desert, Bushmen. So they are the nomads. There is no particular occupation. They keep some animals, they hunt some desert animals and that is their food. And like this these are the backward areas. At some places, at the outskirts of these deserts, there are some areas which are cultivable when there are some river valleys. Like in Africa, due to river Nile, the eastern part of the Sahara Desert is now populated area because of the good and fertile soil, and due to the river Nile, irrigation facilities are there, and therefore the people are cultivating and cultivable areas are here. So there is higher density of population. There are some continents, you should know, they do not have desert. Can you say? Yes. That is, in Europe there is no desert. And if you see Antarctica, that is very far from the hot desert, there is no desert there. And if you look at the map, all these deserts are located in the western margin of the continents. Why? Yes, in Africa, a largest Sahara Desert is found. Other desert also you can see, they are located at the western margin. What is the reason? These areas do not receive rainfall because in this area, southeast trade winds blow. That brings rainfall only towards the eastern part of the continent. And in the western part, the wind direction you can see that is offshore from land to the sea. So that is dry wind, cannot bring rainfall. Here in South America, Atacama lies in the western part of Andes mountain. So they are lying in the leeward side of the high mountains. And therefore, this area does not receive rainfall. In North America, there are mountains and that also is located in the leeward side. In Africa, this region also, if you see the wind blowing from the large land part that is dry cannot bring moisture till this deserted area. So there is no rainfall. And in this region also, if you see, the wind direction is from land to the sea. This is offshore wind. And north of it, if we see, this is the area which is affected by the westerlies that are also not able to bring rainfall. And therefore, there is no rainfall in this region. In southern hemisphere also, you see, some parts receive rainfall by the westerlies, and where there is desert, there is no rainfall by the westerlies. And that is why all the deserts all over the world is located in the western margins. So, do remember. Thank you.